All right, so in this problem, we are asked to find an equation that is perpendicular, I'm going to abbreviate that with perp, to y equals 2/3 x plus 3, and goes to the point -6, 9. So we know that perpendicular means that we are not going to have the same slope. We are going to have the opposite reciprocal, okay? So if we take our slope, which is 2/3, and we said opposite reciprocal means you flip the sign and you flip the fraction. So we went from positive here, we're going to go to negative. 3 is on the bottom, so 3 is going to go on the top, and 2 is on the bottom or top, and it's going to go on the bottom now. So your new slope is going to be -3/2. And then we have our slope and a set of points, so we're going to use point slope form. So y minus y1 equals m parenthesis x minus x1, where y1 and x1 are the x and y value from my point. We're going to go fill everything in. Y minus the y value for my point is 9 equals to my slope is going to be the new one, so -3/2, parenthesis x minus, and then x1 is -6, so -6. We're going to rewrite, and we're going to change our negative to a positive. So y minus 9 equals to -3/2 x plus 6. And now what we're going to do, that got a little dark, sorry everyone, is we're going to go ahead and distribute. We're going to distribute that number outside of parentheses to what is inside of our parentheses. So y minus 9 stays the same. -3/2 times x is just -3/2x. And then in order to distribute a fraction, so -3 times 6 is -18. So multiply your top and then divide by your bottom. -18 divided by 2 is -9. Okay. You can also use your calculator if you're not confident in doing that on your own. Okay. And then we need to get y by itself. So I'm going to draw my line at the equal sign. And to get rid of -9, I'm going to add 9 to both sides, keeping our like terms together. Okay. We can cross out our 2 9s. We can bring down our y, our equal sign, and then we didn't do anything with our new slope, so we can bring that down as well. And -9 plus 9 will give me 0, so I can cross that out. So I'm just left with y equals -3/2x. If you wanted to, you could put plus 0, so you know that that is your y-intercept. But typically we don't need that. We'll just cover it up and use y equals -3/2x.